Welcome to another video on SPP electronics. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a bevel in Fusion 360. Let's get right into it. Let's dive right in. The first thing we want to do is create a hybrid design in Fusion 360. So select hybrid and go millimeters and grams. Click create new. Now you want to go to the utilities tab and press the drop down on add-ins and go scripts and add-ins and then type in spur and then click the spur gear and then create the spur gear with the measurements you need. I'm just keeping it the same as it is right now. And to do this, you need to duplicate the spur gear. So first, we're going to press M on our keyboard and click the spur gear, and then click the create copy button, and then move it forward a touch. I moved it 50 millimeters forward, and then you want to press S on your keyboard and type in scale, so you can scale this down. Scale it down half the size, so do 0.5, and then you want to move the centers aligned. So press M on your keyboard again, and then you need to center it. It may be hard, so try until you're able to do as much as possible. Dragging might not always work, so you might have to type in measurements if you're able to find them or you already have them. I see a part of the point, so I moved it down, so I'm able to get closer to the hole. So I zoom even more, so the way I move down or up is lower. So now I'm manually changing the value because I can't get it 0.5 across. And then I manually need to change the value again because I can't get a negative 0.5 across. And there we go, we moved it. The next thing you want to do is sketch the large face of the spur gear and the small face of the spur gear. So I'm starting with the large one. Once you've done that, finish a sketch and then do the same for the small one. You could do this by pressing P on your keyboard. Once you've done this, hide the bodies, and if you made a component, hide the component. So now you want to use the loft tool to make the actual gear. You might see an issue if you copied exactly what I done. That's only because the bodies are hidden. Now press OK. Now show the bodies. Hide any excess bodies, and then there's your spur gear. But it's not done yet. You need to create a sketch to cut off the excess on the end of it. So use one of the side planes, and then you'll be able to do that. So I'm going to create a triangle using the line tool. And I'm going to revolve that across the blue axis once I finish the sketch. So I'm going to use the revolve tool, look at it at an angle, and then revolve it. That's your spur gear. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and join the Discord group in the description and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.